guys.
Hey,
It's Nicole and
Jason.
welcome back to Honest Try TV.
And today we bring you an unboxing and a review and I guess a feel of our new cards that we got from Catan. And these aren't actually
Official merchandise of the game.
correct. These are items that we found on gameplay cards that we found on Amazon, and they looked very interesting because we thought it would make the gameplay a lot more fun.
Mm-hmm.
So we actually, and there'll be a link down below in the descriptions if you like to actually purchase them yourself from Amazon, if you like to play the Catan game, because we love Catan, by the way. Like we play tons and tons with the family.
Yeah.
Hours of good fun for sure. But yeah, let's go open these up. So here we got the 5-pack.
Actually, before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave any comments, questions down below. And thank you so much for watching. Now get started.
Okay, here we go. That was a good one. I forgot that. And so here we go. This is the 5-pack that it comes with, and there's also a single pack over here. And you can see there that it says this is the Master Thief 5th edition, and then 5-card 5th edition right there. So let's open up with the 5-pack first. See what we got inside. Okay. There we go. Nice little Ziploc. Okay. Come on. And there we go. You want to go over these, honey?
Sure.
There you go.
So first we have a negative victory point. And for those of you who are new to Catan, you need 10 victory points. The goal is to earn 10 victory points so that you can win the game. So this is a negative victory point if you say wood for sheep, which Jason...
I messed up.
Jason does periodically.
Yep.
So one way around this is wood for ba.
Correct. Because you have
or
to say the exact same.
Something else. Port of call. So this is a 2 victory point card to the first player who acquires 3 harbors. Another player who acquires more harbors can take this card.
Really cool.
Longest turn. So this is negative 2 points. So this card goes to the player who takes the longest turn. Another player who takes a longer turn can take this card. This sucks. This sucks real bad.
Yeah, and during our gameplay, what we try to do is like we cap it at 2 minutes, and then anybody who does it after 2 minutes,
Your turn, yeah. You'll get that.
People try to trick you all the time with this, man.
Distract you during trading. It sucks. Most developed. So 2 victory points to the first player who purchases 5 development cards. Another player who purchases more can take this card. No, you don't have to actually play your cards. You just have to buy them.
Yep.
And then this one is not worth any points.
It's a silly one.
But it's just a cute one to have. So your affection towards sheep has not gone unnoticed. Whenever you receive 3 or more ba on a roll, you must say ba. Which we do anyway.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
And let's open up the other one. Again, this one only comes by itself. It didn't come in a pack of like 6 or anything like that. This is the Master Thief. Let's open it up. There we go. And here you go, Cole.
All right, so Master Thief, for 1 victory point, this card goes to the first player to roll 4 7s during a game. That would probably be Jason.
Yeah, I've done that.
Another player who rolls more 7s takes this card. Yeah. I wonder if it's
achievable.
It's not even 4 7s in a row,
No.
which would still be very achievable for Jason.
Yeah, no.
7 is his favorite number.
And it's rough.
It's pretty rough.
Oh, and we forgot. It's the back. The back and front is the exact same thing on all of them. You can see that, and they're very nicely built, quality-wise.
Yeah, pretty durable.
They're very durable compared to the original ones that you come with the largest army and longest road. You can see they're very similar-ish. Obviously, there's a little lighter. The other ones
coloring is different,
and the siding. You can see here the sides. It's a little different as well. They have like a nice browning, I guess, on the sides compared to the trim. Yeah, but yeah, they look very good. I mean, quality-wise, they're very thick and sturdy. You can see that they don't bend at all, which is nice. And when we played it, at least with our initial games, they were very fun. Yeah.
Well received.
But yeah, you guys, thanks for watching. This is Jason and
Nicole.
with Honest Try TV. And if you enjoy Catan, subscribe to the channel, and we'll catch you on the next one.
Thanks so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.